kay lao ni ba na matag ako man babuyan lagi lang ko na.
Sino naglaong?
Mga kon ba nga dako man lagi ko ani sunod mga pay kasunod ko nagin ng kanin.
Sino naglaong? Sino naglaong ba?
Kaya daw ako ano ba kabisita diri sa Aragon. Daw sa pag-deliver. Babuyan. Ano daw ang maghimo ng kanin mga pay kasunod. Ala ka kay bagay ko sa lata.
Mas dako pang babuyan ni Dondon dito sa Kuan, Danau.
Ay
Sir Bobby nakasilid diri.
kaya mamakpan.
Oh.
Na, para pulis na din sa doon ganun di maganda bisita.
Dili din siya.
Kuan di karada sinilingan.
Kuan siya dan aluf ba aluf.
Daw to bagay sa area ako panikon. To bagay dito sa igam kuan.
Lagi?
Tapos pag gani mo gawas, gawas dito sa kuan at trabaho. Bahala ka mo nga dito sini.
So this is the canal. My dear. This is where the UU goes. All the way. So somehow blacks, these are the woods that we tear down from the phase 5, and the roof. And here's the sand and gravel today. So here are not so much woods though, and the roof. I think I need to buy more roof. And this is the list for today for the woods. There 12 pieces 2 by 6 by 12, 6 pieces 2 by 4 by 12, 48 pieces 2 by 3 by 12. Oh my gosh, I don't know how much this is. It is. So nails, and then more. I bought bulbs, new bulbs today. I bought 4 big ones. So let's go to your Hoy, Mot Mot. Mot. Let's go to your Pabo. It's really clean out here now. So let's go to your Pabo. Pa, pila naman ka itlog pa. Pa, pila na ka itlog. Amora gyapon? Okay, let's go inside. Hello there. How are you doing, guys? Hala! Pa! Nay, nagkagawas man ang itlog na basa. Ha? Anduha? So my dad built a pool for them to sit down, or I don't know how to call it. Pero yeah, let's go to the other nest, which has 14 already, 14 eggs. Right there. The eggs right there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 already. Okay. Okay. Bye.